Hey guys, I just wanted to show you because some of you guys have some questions just about the way the page looks. So again, I'm going to be posting this on Wednesday, of course. So this is yesterday's, but each of the days will look the same. Normally I have like a message up here at the description. I didn't today. Questions or concerns, again, you guys have figured that out, but let's kind of look at each one here. So literacy, so again, when you first see, it kind of tells you what we're going to be doing for the day and what your focus is. A lot of you guys are saying you can't see this picture right here. That's usually okay. It's usually kind of just getting you warmed up. I'm not sure why some of you guys can't, some of you guys can. I'm not sure if it's some of you guys are on laptops or tablets, but okay. And then here's the video. Some of you guys say, oh, well, when I play it, I can't see it, okay, the whole thing. So I'm going to pause it. What you have to do is you scroll down. You have to scroll down to this bar. I know yours might look a little bit different because this is like my teacher view. But again, if you scroll over down at the bottom, then you can maximize it here, okay? And then that's when you can kind of watch it like that. Okay, and then you push escape and then it goes out. Okay, so that's the mini lesson, and each day it's going to be something, a different teacher. I'm going to be on Thursday, so you'll hear my voice on Thursday. Then the independent practice, a lot of you guys are just like, oh, well, so many words, and you guys just, I think, read over it. Okay, but usually these links, okay, that takes you either to the practice I want you to do or the actual, again, assignment. So this was the link to the poem that I wanted you to do. Okay, so again, you would have read that, printed it if you wanted, but you really didn't need to, or you could have just kept another tab open. But the overall meaning, that means it's an assignment. Okay, either with a discussion post. Okay, so here we go, Bella Carrington. Okay, and you say start new thread. Okay, but you need to do that. Okay, I know some of you guys are getting, oh, I got the check, I got the check. You only get the check and you're showing your parents that, oh, I got the check, so I'm done. You only get the check if you click it open. That does not mean, I'm still going to be emailing your parents then. That means it doesn't mean you did the assignment. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that just because you have the check doesn't necessarily mean you're done. That just means you clicked it. Okay, I'm less concerned about the checks and more concerned about you actually submitting. Here is the science. Again, very similar. So again, this is what it should have looked like. Again, the activating strategy is, again, just kind of warming up, kind of thinking about. That's if you have a sibling, you could be talking about that. They might be able to give you background information before you watch the video. Again, I'm going to just scroll all the way down, okay, and I don't see the thing where you scroll over, okay, so I'm just going to play it. Yep, so again, she has it smaller. So today I am going to... Okay, and then there you go, that's how you would maximize it, okay. The independent practice, again, this looks long, and some of you guys were saying this wasn't working. I'm just going to show it to you now, that it was working for me. See, this is what it was supposed to look like. That's okay if some of the links don't work. So it's supposed to be something like this. If the links don't work, I would, again, most of you guys are really good with technology. So again, I would have just copy and pasted if you could. Copy and pasted this into Google or your web browser and just kind of seen. If not, then again, no big deal. It's no big stress. Then just tell me you can't get it. And then again, there's a lot of kind of directions, but again, here you had to actually do the discussion board. Okay, so again, some of you guys missed that, which is okay, but again, I wanted you to, again, and you could have still done 1 and 2, and again, I think I noticed one of you guys had said, oh, well, I couldn't watch the video, so I didn't do 3 and 4. That's fine, but at least I know she tried, and she did 1 and 2. Okay, and I will say, we are going to be eventually taking grades, okay? But you really should just act like everything's going to be a grade, okay? So again, so especially with these assignment type activities, that's going to be eventually grades, okay? So that's right now they're just practice, but But most of you guys are doing a really good job. Okay, I like when you guys write in complete sentences, so it gives me some sort of context of what you guys are talking about, just like in school. So again, just think about if we were doing these type of things in school. Okay, some of you guys, I would say, nope, that's, you need to write more, or you need to write in a complete sentence. Okay, so just think about those type of things. Just because we're online doesn't mean our rules have kind of changed. I am trying to keep up with it. I know sometimes like the websites don't work, so again, I get that. And I'm trying to get that worked out as well. And then, so for tomorrow, I'll kind of just preview this. You guys will see this. It's starting with The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Miss G did record it. Okay. So again, and tomorrow will be social studies. Okay, which will actually be for you guys today. I'm recording this on Tuesday. But again, this is what it should look like. Okay, and then the Nearpod. This Nearpod here, you shouldn't need a code, but I did include a code just in case somehow that link doesn't work. Okay, so but that's the code to our exact one. Okay, and I can see if you've completed that or not. Okay, so just because you will get a check once you've clicked on all of these things on your home screen, but I still need you to complete that Nearpod because it's separate. It tells me if you completed the Nearpod. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any questions about any more of the content. I just want to kind of make this video real quickly just so that I could answer several of your guys' questions all at once. Okay, and a lot of you guys are asking me about the Zoom. I'm really going to try. Honestly, like my whole day ends up getting spent with like trying to get all this content loaded on here for you guys and then answering your guys' questions and then making sure that you guys are all doing it. But my goal is definitely by Friday for us to do a Zoom. Okay, no, you don't have to do it if you don't have a webcam or your mom won't let you or anything like that. That's fine. I'm going to try to get it organized. Okay, that's my goal by Friday to get that all organized. Okay, so also that link will be sent out to your parents with like a time and a website. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions about how to get to stuff or if a link's not working so I can try to get it fixed. Okay, have a good day, guys. Bye.